Our activity today is called Cannonball. My goal is to throw my sock ball into my clothesbin. If you don't have a clothesbin, that's okay. You can use a bucket, or you can use some type of container that's a little bigger that you can throw into and it won't bounce out. So I'm using my clothesbin over there. When I throw, it's a little different than we normally do. So when you throw normally, you step and you point straight ahead, and then you throw overhead. This time, the further back I go, the more I want to point my finger up and throw higher. Because once I get really far back, if I throw straight, it's not going to go far enough. So at the beginning, when we start really close, you can point straight. But then the further back we get from the clothesbin, or whatever you're throwing at, you need to point higher. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by taking 5 steps away from my target. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to do my point, my step, my point, and my throw. Point and throw. Now if I made it like I did, I get to pick up my sock ball. I'm going to take 6 steps away this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I'm at 6 steps. And I get to point, or step, point, throw. Ooh, I missed that time. So if you miss, you have to stay at 6 steps. Now, let's say you make it a bunch of times and you're like 20 steps away. Now, when you're that far away, you need to do something a little different. I'm going to show you. So when you're this far away, you want to point your tee up more, and you want to throw up in the air so that it can go a little further. Because if you throw straight, it's going to go into the ground, then you're not going to make it. So you're still going to do your step, you're still going to do your point, but you're going to point up a little bit. So imagine that this is a tee. When I point, I have the ball back here. This is a tee. I look like a tee right now. I want my tee to be leaning sideways and pointing up. So like this. Point, or step, point, angle my tee, and then throw. Oh, I missed it just behind it. So the further you get back, the more you have to point up and the higher you have to throw it. See how far you can get and let me know.